Hi, this is Deepak Ghadge. I am narrating the story of the incorporation of Tavamitra Infonet, how it all started our journey into the startup environment. It was in March 2015 when I had attended my sister's housewarming ceremony in Bangalore, in the outskirts of Bangalore, and it was late in the night while I had to take my parents back home. And I had called Divakar, our co-founder, to figure out how do I get a cab from this remote place and go back to our house. And he said, just call this number. To my surprise, being born brought up in Bangalore as well as moved to Mumbai, so I was pretty unsure whether this will work. And he said it will work. Just call this number. And then they came and they picked us up. And subsequently, I started using them for the next couple of days. And that's when, while I was traveling, this idea stuck in the journey. I said, this is a fantastic service, but it should also be extended to emergency services. That is where we need the fastest pickup and nearest ambulances available, which was not prevalent in India at that point in time. Then I called him and said, see, this is a brilliant idea, but it is implemented in the wrong place probably. And I said we should have take this leverage and take this to the emergency services area. And we have been contemplating over last couple of years, and we've started nothing. We started seriously, and this is something we should hook on and stay on this idea. And I said, come what may, we should never give up. And this is how our journey started. Then we both checked all the Google stores, Google everywhere where we could map our idea to this kind of a service. Nothing was available, and that gave us even more confidence, saying that yeah, this is a brilliant opportunity. It took us 18 months from that day to even convince people to tell them this is a service which is possible. And when people started seeing what we are saying, they started believing us. And adding to this was I being shortlisted for Economic Times Power of Ideas for the same idea in 2017. And that gave us the additional boost, saying that yes, this is uh, the business which we should get into. And if we can make it with with a lot of people in the competition, I think this is more relevant for us in the recent times. Then we incorporated the organization in 2018, and then we started our services September through for our first corporate was WeWork, and then we started to the B2C market in Jan 2019, and we added pet ambulance, air ambulance, diagnostic services, pathology, and radiology, as well as physiotherapy and wheelchair taxis. And we added, we recently brought in the Docker platform, the practice management solution, which is India's one integrated platform for all the emergency and disparate services, which is connecting the entire medical ecosystem on a single platform. And then my journey also extended to co-authoring a book on entrepreneurship. The whole reason why we chose to write this book was, since we were first time entrepreneurs, we wanted to learn from the masters what is entrepreneurship all about. And this gave me access to some of India's best 12 entrepreneurs who have made it big. And one story is from the US, which is again a unicorn company from the US, which is doing great uh, in Africa, US, and rest of the world. They are delivering medicines, blood and medicines through drone, fixed wing drones. And we also conceptualized in a simple diagram what should an entrepreneur have in him or her. It is PhD. We call the PhD model. It is passion, hunger, and discipline. This book has almost 50,000 crores of business in terms of business value, and it has got four business models: startup, franchisee, mature businesses, and family business. And it has got two advisories, one on agriculture, one on how to become funding ready. There are four niche stories which have been probably covered first time in a startup book. I think this is a great credibility for us and great access to the masters in learning entrepreneurship and discussing any of our issues with them and getting a solution to that. So looking forward to meet investors for our practice management platform as well as the desperate services which we are extending on a single integrated platform through our own services and collaboration. Looking forward for a great meeting. Thank you.